Steve Fette here from Allied Beverage. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Bellini Spritz for #SundaySpritz. To get started, you're going to need a wine glass filled with ice to the top. First thing we're going to add is 3 ounces of Prosecco. Today I'm using Sandi Prosecco. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of Aperol. The best part about this drink is that it makes itself as you're making it. The bubbles from the Prosecco are going to help mix that Aperol. And then we're going to add 1 ounce of peach puree. Peach puree, peach nectar. And then we're going to top this off with club soda. No need to stir this because the cocktail is doing all the movement for us. All we're going to do is going to garnish this with a nice edible flower and enjoy. And right there, that is your Bellini Spritz with Aperol and Sandi Prosecco. Have a great weekend. Cheers.